Please maintain this.
Yes, no worries, no worries.
Please.
Really, know what, the Social Democratic Party, the National Working Committee, and other executive, came to do in the residence of former head of state, General IBK.
Well, we are here to commiserate with him on his 84th birthday and to congratulate him. And, he's a father to the nation and is the founder of the Social Democratic Party. And we remain in touch with him, and we remain in touch with his many legacies over time. And there's no time in the history of Nigeria that we are challenged, economically, politically, and otherwise than this period. So we come to commiserate with him, at the same time to tap from his well of experience and wisdom, so that we can find a rescue mission for this country, as we are in a dire need of such wisdom and so on.
Okay, so Mr. Chairman, what's his response?
Well, his response is very encouraging, because he recalled the good days of the SDP during his time, and the vision and aspiration for the SDP, that he is happy during his lifetime he saw that we are still carrying on with the messages of the SDP, and we are committed to the social justice, fairness, and equity that the SDP represents. And he equally reiterated there is no time that Nigeria needs the SDP more than this time. And at the same time, he promised to do his best to see that he is part of the rescue mission through the SDP, which was his baby and which he founded. So in this note, I equally want the National Secretary to throw a little light over a word or two.
You tell us, this is the time that there are political crises in Nigeria, a preparation ahead of 2027 election. And what role do you want our elder statesman to do for SDP in rescuing the nation from what it is today?
Well, I will literally pick on what he said himself. He understands that this nation requires a party like us, a party that stands for known ideology, a party that stands for justice, a party that stands for equity, and a party that is well organized, and a party that can actually position itself to rescue the country. He used the word rescue himself. And then what I like in that is that he blends that one with the situation of the party itself. You must understand that the party is such that the country needs a party like SDP, a party that is structured not to aggravate different issues pertaining to corruption, a party that distinguishes itself in a way that it stands out for the people of Nigeria. And he's willing to support us in that race.